part of zoo.
Moving here. Moving here.
It's kind of egg bad. Egg bad, egg bad, egg bad.
Oh, you said Zon?
Yeah.
Somebody just flew into it, so I left.
Egg bad. Don't start lagging now.
Here, Woody. I know I'm not tripping, bro. Trust me.
That's some weird shit.
Camera there?
Taking effective fire.
Body on you.
Yo, ain't no way, bro.
Oh my god.
Damn, that shit was close.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
What's up, bro?
You can't fuck with me, bro.
Gas is moving.
I don't know, I'm not. Huh?
They on me, buddy.
Squad members are in the safe zone. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go
Oh my god.
I'm in the game, bro.
I'm frying shit though.
Alright, hold on.
God, not sliding with me either.
Hold on, bro. Back off for a little bit. Back off.
You talking about back up?
Bounty targets are up. Get after them. Friendly loadout drops on the way.
I'll get if you down for that. Yeah, I said trios, nigga. Cause I'm trying to play a Sheikah. This nigga Kai not even here. No way, bro.
Get on the ground and go underwater to avoid detection.
let him, bro. You just let this man kill me? Dip. I'm coming right back.
You're getting another chance.
And bro, my shit up here. Team right here on the roof.
Here.
On the game, bro.
Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt
Teammate
them
over
down.
here.
Moving here.
We lost that sumbitch. Bounty contract's been pulled.
He jumped off.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Niggas to my Fergie Berkey.
Stop. Back to where you was at.
Bro, stop coming back, bro. Fuck you don't learn. That Suchi CA.
Confirmed, and we located
Night.
the rest of them.
He got your guns. Oh, no, it's not. There go my perks. He had my perks. That Jumbo. My Ricky's out. I got you.
About to get me killed. Wouldn't even let me get him on the hill. Two niggas to the right.
25 are still active in the AO.
Watch for movement.
They're dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
You shot that too?
Yeah.
yo, you my man.
Nigga, anything getting aimed at, that
One in the building.
shit. One all the way in the back.
Flash.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Yo. Yeah, bro. So what?
I never fucking with
Marking the rest of them.
Here go another sub.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
That was nasty too. I'm about to buy
Fancy.
Drawing, he making me take pictures of autos on and shit.
Yeah, he can have that right.
Fire sale's over.
I got P8
Adjusting
too.
prices.
I got 2 UEs.
Got gas
I'm
moving
buy
in.
one more.
Put a what's the name over there? Damn, they all over there. Yeah, they all in this building, bro. I just seen one.
Outside the safe zone.
I was barking boy at the window. Crack.
Over there.
Crack.
These soldiers. They got another U. I'm about to probably.
Has closed. No more second chances.
Yo, right here, bro. Come. There's one right here.
Lost for movement.
Crack one.
Oh my lord, right here.
Lost for movement.
Leave me. I'm diving in the water.
Down one.
Got you.
Stop playing, man. What's wrong with you?
I ain't even heal up. I'm like, yo, I might go see bro.
Need recon overhead.
You still got the movies?
Yeah.
I don't want.
Need recon overhead.
Somebody on the roof.
Need recon overhead.
Friendly
Oh, okay.
UAV entering area.
Yeah.
Can I go up there?
Good.
Oh, he right here. He got riot shield.
Gas is inbound. 10 remain. You're almost done.
Come on, that weird shit, bro.
Good, guys.
Move to the safe zone.
I'm gonna buy it. I got 2 kills.
I got 11. Let's grab this jump. So we're gonna kill the person. We get an advance. That shit upstairs.
Buckets.
How many U's you got?
Got like 3 more.
Ah, yeah, you snapping. You on the roof?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm out there. They on that platform?
One of them crack. He ain't gonna push out.
Yo, stop playing with me, bro.
Yeah.
What's
I
up?
knew where the other one was at, but why he was free-firing that corner when I was turning, because I wasn't going to chase his man, but I was going to come out to kill him.
Need recon overhead.
He waited. Some weird shit.
Cardium said that shit little, boy. He know that shit, what?
He got
Really though, that shit, him. Damn. Where you at?
Lost for
Oh,
movement.
alright. No, I don't need this. Damn, Woody.
Gas is closing in.
Don't push too much because we
Be
still got the
advised,
circle,
you still
bro.
have squad mates outside
Right
the
here?
safe zone.
Almost crack. Crack. Good shit. I'm healing up. Yo, behind you. Good shit, Woody. Yo, it's behind us too. I just got looked at.
Trophy systems up.
You right here? Down them. Gotta go. Stop playing,
Some
man.
bitches have a good hand.
Big
Nicely
15
done.
bomb. Stop playing.
big
Sorry.
carry.
Oh, I forgot they added the game. What? They got the kill cam in this joint? Dirty. Huh?
Pussy. Damn.
Stop playing, man.